to Bali, guys, and later there I will take so many places. I'm so excited, and I sat with my friends. Wanna say hello to my camera? Hi. And let's do some magic, girls. So I want to cover the camera, and then I will start counting. On the count of 3, I will arrive on the venue. Really? Ta-da! So we arrived, guys. How is it? Do you believe it now? Well, we're here now, so okay, fine. So we are in the Malati Beach. Okay, the vibes in the air and the nature is really wonderful. It's really charming. I will enjoy this trip. I will enjoy this trip with my friends, of course, and I will doing something like a interview. Yes, of course, interview. And then I will doing some like activities that I will really enjoy and calm in this, guys. So stay tuned. So this is the center market in Tanah Lot. In Tanah Lot, there are so many like accessories and then things or snack or like that, and many some like product like skincare, body care or makeup and so on. Rawr. Hi guys, so I'm the bus and I will do some magic tricks with my hand, with my magic hand. Okay, in count of 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! We arrived at Kuta Beach, guys. Hi. What is your name?
I'm Ochi.
Ochi. Do you enjoy it? What do you feel?
I'm tired.
Tired?
I'm tired right now, yeah.
What about the beach?
It's beautiful and crowded.
Crowded? Yes, really crowded. You can see, guys. Look at that, guys, and I'm so happy to be here. Okay, this is the most beautiful beach, I think, in Bali. Okay, in Bali, and many like visitors, tourists, foreign tourists or local tourists enjoy the beach. There's have a snorkeling and playing a ball and many more. guys, I want to back to the hotel, but first I want to buy a souvenir, snacks, or anything I can find in the Krishna shop. So I want to carry you to the next destination place. Okay. So, carry you to the Joget, Bedugul, and Barong Sands. Are you excited? Are you tired now?
Yes, I am so excited.
We're gonna see a Barong Sands and shopping, and then maybe enjoying the nature in Bedugul.
And then getting lunch later.
Getting lunch later. Okay, stay tuned, guys. Could I eat it? Oh guys, so this is the place that the Barringtons was shown. Can you see that? Can you see the every buildings and the view of the place? We gonna enter. Okay, now I'm sat with my friends. Hello. What is your name?
I'm Ray. It's a dark by the way.
And you? What is your name?
My name is Rika.
Rika and Ray. And we gonna watch, see, look. The Barongtons are there, and the music there. It's a raining day, but still beautiful, still comfy. Okay, masuk. We are enter the cage. Look at that, guys. Oh no, kasetku basah. Okay guys, the raining was crazy, so I take my umbrella and with my friends. Where's my friends? Where's my friends? Full of a kabut, ya kan? Apa? Fog. Full of fog. Badung, Danau right now full of fog. Like this, guys. You can see. Statue. Wow, so cool. It is very cool. Very cool. Look at that. Look at the beautiful monument. In Bedugul, in Uluwatu, it is the last trip, the last destination. I will enjoy can, and then I will show you the atmosphere of Bedugul and then the beauty of the Bedugul is. And here we are, Uluwatu, guys, Uluwatu. this is Olondano, guys. Yeah, okay, with the green grass and then the beautiful flowers and the beautiful building makes the Olondano very beautiful, very wonderful. I will enjoy it. I will enjoy it, of course. And then stay tuned. Temple without the fogs. And this is we are going to eat to dinner and stay tuned.